Hey guys, this is Jacob Smoot,
And Eric Steele.
and we have question 4 for part 2 of our preparation questions. And four, did I say question 2? I meant question 4, sorry guys, of
It's
part
all
2
good.
was what evidence did the fruit fly experiment produce that documented sperm competition? So this was a really interesting study. Um, the scientist was gathered a bunch of fruit flies. So we had like 20 fruit flies in a group and another 20 in another controlled group. And then in the controlled group, he allowed the fruit flies to mate privately with the females. And then he did the same thing in the other group, but he allowed them to mate um, with all the other flies present. So there was no like say. Um, and what was documented was that the fruit flies, the male fruit flies that were mating with the female without any privacy, ejaculated 2.5 times more sperm during copulation than the male fruit flies that were mating in privacy. So this is just an example of sperm competition, and my partner is gonna share some more information on this.
Yeah, so because they were ejaculating more, it's 2.5 times more. I mean, that's quite a considerable amount. And the reason it would be like sperm competition is because it's trying to, the more it can, the more ejaculate it can release, the more likely that its children are going to be born, and therefore it's going to be able to pass on its genes. For reasons that I'm still not quite sure about, I kind of wanted to look more, like just look more into like the studies about this. So don't judge me. But one of the interesting things that I found through one of the studies was not only does it create more, like for what in terms of sperm competition, not only does it release more, but they've also found that it releases a protein that basically acts as a natural spermicide. Its own sperm is immune to it, but it would go and it would try to, and it works to kill off the potential sperm of other flies to make it less likely that those flies would be able to produce it would be their offspring. So there's a lot of different ways that it works toward that it would work towards sperm competition. So yeah. It was interesting, but yeah, just an interesting thing to study on free time. Yeah, I'm gonna stop talking now.
Way cool, man. That was awesome.
Yeah.
Okay, well, that was our video, guys. Hope you
Yep. Hope you enjoyed it.
have